Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the holiday special on wind. Yeah, we're going to be talking about wind these holidays, talking about how to navigate the wind. We have get several different kinds of wind to navigate or to work with, and that is to work with what kind of wind you have. And if it's a swirling wind, it's not too bad. If it's a gusty wind, that's more difficult, and if it's a constant wind, it's a lot easier to navigate. So we're going to go through the several different ones. It's a really windy day today, so I decided to do a wind one today, a wind episode. Alright, here we go. Today the wind is very gusty, and we get a lot of gusty wind around here. So what I'm going to explain to you is how to navigate it, and how to not let it terrify you too much. Yes, it can be quite terrifying, but you will get used to it. If the wind is gusty, then it makes it more difficult to contend with, because it's erratic and you don't know what you're going to get. So what we do is, if you try to stay calm on the bike, relaxed, keep your body relaxed, and as the wind blows and it catches you on a gust, then what you need to do is just let the wind take you, and bring it back as soon as the gust is off. Just let the bike lean a bit to the side as the wind hits you, and then just bring the bike back. It seems to be the best way to deal with it. And if the wind is constant, then you just have to adjust to the side of the wind. Adjust to from which way the wind's coming from. It's pretty windy today, so I'm going to give you a demonstration. You basically shift your weight over to the side that the wind is coming from to counter it. But if it's gusty, you just have to deal with letting the wind hit you, and to staying calm and bringing the bike back. I'm going to demonstrate on the bike now. It'll be kind of like that. Like that. You're basically going to let the wind take you, and you're going to bring it back. Wind take you, bring it back. You're really staying pretty much on the same line. Try not to panic. Try to let the wind do what it needs to do, and then you respond. Once you get used to it, it's pretty safe. What I'm going to do now, the wind's coming now from, it's gusty and it's coming from one side, so I'm just countering into it slightly, getting a little more pressure with my knees on the tank. If it's very gusty, and allowing the wind to take you, and then you just bring the bike back as the gust goes away. Always just stay a little calm and be alert, because it can hit you at any time. Wind also tends to hit you near buildings. If there are buildings around you and you come across the building, it can hit you quite hard. Also trucks and vehicles can also shield the wind, and when you go past them, the wind hits you quite hard, so you can prepare for that a little bit. But yeah, just stay calm. It's the best option. If the wind's directly in front of you, coming directly in front of you, then just duck down a bit. Let your fairing or your screen, if you have on your bike, shield you a bit from that. You feel the bike's going over to the left. Or I should say I'm leaning to the right because the wind's coming from the left. Pretty strong up here. I'm going to put on a little bit of pace now. Just thought I'll let you guys know a little way to go to contend with the wind. I'm just countering as the wind hits me. Bring it back. No need to fight it. Let it blow you a little and then bring it back in. This way you can be a little calmer on the bike. If it's coming from both ways, from all different directions, just let the wind push you a little. Stay calm and also make sure you keep a lot of space around you and other vehicles when it's windy, so that you don't end up getting blown into one of the vehicles. If you have got vehicles around you, keep away from them. Don't let them box you in. Keep moving, keep away from them. Picking up a bit of pace here. Keeping away from all the vehicles. I'm going to find a spot in between the front cars and the cars behind me. Just letting the wind take you as it needs. Stay calm, keep relaxed on the bike, keep your hand grips not too hard, don't hold too hard in the grips. Look, I'm hardly holding the grips here. Don't grip the grips too hard, otherwise the wind's going to make more effect. Stay in the middle. You guys can hear the wind on the mic, so you can hear how gusty and windy it is today. Just prepare yourself for the gusts. Know they're coming and counter. As the wind gets you, bring it back, stay calm. Tends to be found that that bikes with fairings seem to get hit harder with the wind, kind of acts like a sail, versus a naked bike where the wind can pass through a little easier. That's what I've experienced personally when it comes to riding a bike in the wind. Now you guys can see in front here how strong the wind is by the trees here. Also take care guys when it comes to parking your bike. Try and push the bike over a little bit to the on the stand. I'm going to give you a demonstration. What I do is put the stand out and then I give the bike a push. You see how the bike comes over? Give it a push like that. That'll give you a little bit more stability in the wind.